Next topic, chemicals, enzymes and other bioactive molecules produced by different bacteria and fungal members also. So, these are some chemicals or organic acids. These organic acids are produced by different fungal members and bacteria. First one, Aspergillus niger. It is a fungus. This fungus is producing citric acid. In the fermenters, generally large vessels, fermenters are large vessels. In the large vessels, here all these chemicals are produced in large quantities which are industrially useful. So, all these are produced in large quantities from these fungal members or bacteria. Second, Acetobacter aceti. It is a bacterium. It is used in the extraction of acetic acid. Acetic acid is also called as vinegar. So, in the vinegar generally it is used as a preservative for the food materials preservation. The acetic acid or vinegar is used. Clostridium butylicum. It is a bacterium. So, this bacterium is producing the butylic acid. Lactobacillus. So, lactic acid bacterium. So, in this bacterium it is producing the lactic acid during the fermentation process. So, all these are bacteria and this fungus, it is the fungus. Next, a product is alcohol. Already we discussed about alcohols. The alcohols are fermented by yeast, sometimes Saccharomyces cerevisiae. It is called as baker's yeast. Saccharomyces ellipsoidens, it is wine yeast. So, different yeasts are there. These are fungal members. It is a fungus. So, it is a common brewer's yeast. Next product is enzymes. Here a different type of enzymes are produced by different bacteria and fungal members also. So, first of all, lipase. So, lipase enzyme is produced by Candida lipolytica. So, it is also one yeast fungal member. So, this Candida lipolytica, it is secreting or producing the lipase enzyme. The lipase enzyme generally it is used in the detergent formulations. So, the lipase generally digests the oil stains in laundry. Oil stains are removed by lipase enzyme or oils are digested by lipase enzyme. So, commercially or industrially it is useful, extracted from this fungal member. Next one is pectinase protease. Pectinase and protease are digesting the pectins and proteins. So, these are extracted from Aspergillus species. So, pectinase and protease are generally these are used in the for the clarification of juices. So, if you see your juices in market, in the bottles the juices are very clear. How they are clear? If we make the same juices in our houses, so they are having some particles, but in the market the available juices are very clear. So, for the clarification of juices, here these enzymes are used, pectinase and protease enzymes. So, they digest the pectins and proteins, some proteins. So, these enzymes are used in the clarification of juices. Next, streptokinase enzyme. It is extracted from Streptococcus. So, Streptococcus, it is a bacterium. It is a yeast, fungus and bacterium. So, streptokinase enzyme, it is used as a clot buster. So, the clot buster means sometimes in the blood vessels, the blood clots are formed. So, if the blood clots are formed, that is leading to the heart attack. So, the blood vessels, blood clots are digested by this streptokinase enzyme. Streptokinase enzyme is extracted from Streptococcus bacterium. And next enzyme is cyclosporin A. Cyclosporin A is extracted from fungus like Trichoderma. Trichoderma polysporum. It is a fungus. Statins are extracted from Monascus purpureus. So, it is also one yeast. Here statins are used in the, it is a cyclosporin A, it is immunosuppressive agent. Cyclosporin A is extracted from Trichoderma polysporum, it is a fungus and it is a immunosuppressive agent. This is immunosuppressive agent. So, what is immunosuppressive agent? So, sometimes in the organ transplantation, so kidney or other liver, here any organ is transplanted from one human being to other human being. So, the body it cannot accept other organs. That is why, so after the surgery or before the transplantation or after the transplantation, the cyclosporin A. So, in the patients, organ transplantation patients, cyclosporin A, it is suppressing the immunity system for some time. So, it is used as the cyclosporin A enzyme or bioactive molecule, it is used as immunosuppressive agent. Next, statins. The statins are also bioactive molecules. So, these bioactive molecules are extracted from Monascus purpureus, it is a yeast. And the statins generally they lower or they reduce the cholesterol content. So, cholesterol reducing or cholesterol lowering agent, it is cholesterol agent, cholesterol lowering agent. Streptococcus is clot buster. So, these are some chemicals or enzymes and bioactive molecules. The bioactive molecules are in the organism, they are reacting with some chemicals, bioactive molecules. So, like enzymes, lipase enzyme extracted from this yeast and it is removing oil stains, that is why it is used in the detergents or soaps for removing the oil stains. Pectinase and protease digest the pectins and proteins present in the fruit juices. So, they are used in the clarification of juices. Industrially, the juices preparation it is used. Streptokinase is also called as a clot buster. It removes the clots formed in the blood vessels. So, it is also it is preventing the heart attack. Indirectly, it is preventing the heart attack also. Cyclosporin A, it is one chemical or bioactive molecule, it is suppressing the immunity system in organ transplantation patients. After the organ transplantation, so it suppresses the immunity system for some time. Next, statins, they are the reducing or lowering the cholesterol content. So, these are the bioactive molecules and chemicals, enzymes produced or extracted from different bacteria and fungal members. So, this is about microbes in different industries